I received this 100% pure vanilla essential oil as a gift, and it's such a lovely, versatile scent to have around the house. This is a 4-ounce bottle, which is a really generous size compared to most essential oils, so it lasts a long time. The vanilla scent is warm, soft, and comforting, not overpowering or artificial smelling. One thing I really appreciate is that this bottle has a dropper top. It makes it so much easier to use without making a mess or accidentally pouring out too much. You can control exactly how much oil you're using, which is especially helpful when adding it to a diffuser or for DIY projects. I like using it in the diffuser to make the house feel cozy and inviting, especially during the colder months. It's also great for home care uses or candle making if you enjoy DIY projects. The scent blends really well with other oils too, so you can mix it with things like citrus or lavender to create your own custom scent combinations. Overall, this vanilla essential oil smells amazing, feels high quality, and is really easy to use thanks to the dropper top. It made a thoughtful gift and is something I enjoy using regularly to add warm, comforting scent to my space.